So hi everyone and welcome to Namoona 3D Labs, and in session 2 we are going to see how large is the diecast model making market. So as per various sources we can see that the model kits for hobbyists sector is expected to grow in the next 5 years to a total market value of US $195 million, and according to some of the other business sources like Business Wire, it is expected that the automotive diecast scale model market is about to reach 4.5 billion US dollars by 2027. And even though the COVID-19 crisis arose, the automotive diecast market grew at a compounded annual growth rate of 4.7%, and this area is still looking very promising in the next 5 to 10 years. And according to another source, the 35% of growth is originating from North America, consisting of the USA and the Canada alone. And this website is also predicting that the automotive diecast model market is expected to grow to 1.35 billion US dollars. And according to this source also, it is predicting that 1.5 billion US dollars market value is about to create. So that's how huge the market is. So that includes various geographies and market segmentation, let's say by cars and bikes and collections and non-collection models. So this website has predicted that the market has grown at a consistent pace, and it is predicting that the growth momentum is accelerating at a rapid pace, and just within these 5 years only 1.5 billion US dollars market is creating newly. So already it's existing at $3 billion, and another 1.5 billion dollars of market will be created in the next 5 years. So let's try to understand what is meant by miniature diecast models. So I will try to open some of the famous websites which manufacture and address this particular model collection hobbyists across the globe. One company name is Amalgam Collection. It's very famous for miniature models of various scales. So you can click on the brand and the scale you want. So this is the realistic looking smaller scale realistic Formula 1 cars that are manufactured and sold by this company. It's 1:18 scale Ferrari 2022 model. And another brand is called Vostro. They are also very famous for model making. So mainly the market manufacturers are based out of Europe, USA and China, and India is expected to catch up with this market very soon. So just to make you understand what is meant by miniature models, I am just showing you some of the samples here. And there is one more company called Mini Champs. So they are also very famous for cars, bikes and various other models like helmets. And you can see that they are around 50 to 60 euros each. So even though the cost is a bit high the automobile enthusiasts love these models very much, and there is a huge market, especially in the North America and Europe. So this is one particular area where if we are able to enter and manufacture them, we can export them outside to various countries. And in the next lecture we will see what are the skills required to work in this domain, and we will give a brief overview of some of the tools which you can use to design the injection molds and to make the CAD models so that you can manufacture them.